Hello everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can restrict Instagram from using your phone's camera. So for that, open your settings, and after that you need to find Instagram. Just swipe down. Let me swipe. So after finding Instagram, as you can see, we have found Instagram. You just need to tap here anywhere you want. After that, as you can see, we have this new screen out here where we can allow Instagram to access our different parts of our phones. So from here we need to go to this camera option. So we don't want Instagram to use our camera for our privacy reasons. So from here you just need turn it off. So yeah, that's how you prevent or restrict Instagram from using your phone's